Imagine a kingdom called Datavia, where the map isn't drawn with rivers and mountains, but with numbers and features. Here lived a wise knight, Surkart, master of the splitting sword. His quest? To cut through the tangled data, dividing the land into clear, meaningful regions, one clever split at a time. At every fork, Surkart would ask, "Shall I go left or right?" He'd compare a single feature to a threshold, slicing the data set until each final leaf node contained either the average value, for regression, or a tally of each class, for classification. When he wanted pure regions, he looked for low Gini index or low cross entropy. For numbers, he sought to minimize the sum of squared errors. But Surkart had a flaw. He could get carried away, overfitting, building trees so deep they memorized every pebble, missing the bigger picture. To fix this, the kingdom summoned the Council of Trees, the mighty random forest. Instead of relying on just one tree, they trained many, each a weak learner, but each with its own perspective. They used bagging. Every tree learned from a different random subset of data. And at each decision, trees only considered a random selection of features. In the end, every tree had a vote, the majority ruled. This ensemble reduced variance, resisted overfitting, and created a model far stronger and more stable than any lone tree. But a new challenge appeared, understanding unlabeled lands where no class flags waved. Enter the density forest, the unsupervised explorers. These trees didn't ask, which class? Instead they wondered, how tightly packed are these points? They evaluated splits by compactness, using the determinant of the covariance matrix from a Gaussian fit. Every leaf became a tiny Gaussian bump, mapping the probability landscape. To sample new data, you'd pick a tree, wander down its path, and sample from the leaf's Gaussian, a process called rejection sampling. So what did I learn from the forest of decisions? Cart is the wise single tree, setting rules. Random forest is the united council, stable and robust, and density forest explores the unknown, revealing the hidden shapes of data without needing labels. In the kingdom of data, there's always a tree ready to guide the way.